Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook profile link or URL. Okay, kindly remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake. Okay, the first thing you need is to open the Facebook application, then refresh it. Then you will click on your profile picture on the top right. Then you will click on your name in the profile like this. Then you will want to click on the three dots here. Then you will see your profile here. You can see the current profile is www.facebook.com/destroyer0017, but we want to change it. What do? Go back to the main Facebook profile here. Then we go back to the home page. Then we refresh it. Okay. Then we click on our profile picture. Then we click on the gear icon. Then we'll click on Meta Account Center. Under Meta Account Center, we click on See More in Meta Account Center. Then we'll click on our profile here in the Meta Account Center. Then we'll click on the profile once again. Now here we'll click on username. Now we can change the username to bestman001. You can see if it is available. This is not available. We can add 17 there. Okay, this is available. Then we click done. Okay, then we go back to Facebook homepage like this. We refresh. Then we click on our profile picture once again. Then we click on our name. Then we click on the three dots here. Then we scroll. You can see now the username has changed to bestman0017. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.